Hello class, it's Mr. Marish. Just thought I'd do a little video. I've had more than a few questions about how to do this molecular shapes activity. This is something we were about to do on Friday before school got canceled a week ago. And I didn't get a chance to do it on the board with you, so I thought I'd give you a little activity to cover just the material so we don't have to go over it after this. So on the instructions page, these instructions, make sure you follow them. There are 13 different molecules on this molecular shape PhET activity. What you need to do is, on a separate piece of paper, write down the formula for all 13. Draw a picture. Just draw the best picture you can of a molecule, something that looks like what you see on the screen. Write down molecular geometry and write down the bond angle, and I'll show you what that looks like here. So if I click on this, it brings me to this molecular shape page, and you're going to click on real molecules, double click it, and here we see a water molecule, and you can move it around, mess with it, just see what it does if you play with it. But what you want to draw is just something that looks like that, it doesn't have to be good, just a little 3D shape that kind of looks like that. Up here you see the molecule. These are the 13 you have to go through, and here it has the bond angles. So somewhere on a piece of paper, write down H2O, bond angle 104.5. Also, you want to click on molecular geometry down here, and it shows you that this molecular geometry for water is called bent, and write that down. Then you're going to click another molecule, like carbon dioxide, and here we go again. We move it around. It doesn't really do much. It goes back to where it was when you started, and we have a bond angle of 180 degrees and a molecular geometry of linear. I gave, or you have, more than one option to score 100 on that Google form, because I just want this to be an activity where you go through the paces of looking at what things do and playing around with molecules to see how they move. But record this information and write it down. Draw pictures of things. It doesn't have to have, just say CO2. It has something in the middle, a double bond, another one on the outside, and one over here. The two on the outside are the same, so you can label them if you want. This would be your carbon. These would be oxygens. But that's all I expect for this activity. Try it again if you did not get this the first time. I should have put this video up earlier. I apologize. So you have time to finish it. I will not do final grades on this for a few more days, but it should be an easy little quiz grade for you. So good luck, and I'll talk to you later. Let me know if there's any questions. I'll be checking my email all the time. Bye.